Hello everyone and welcome back to the Oily Travelers. Today I'm going to show you how to double your Thieves Laundry Soap. So I'm just showing you some of the ingredients that you'll need here. I apologize for a little bit of extra noise today. I have the two pups here with me while I am recording my audio. So they are chewing on some cheese snacks while I work on bringing this video to you all. So we just have two big amber glass bottles here. We've got some Thieves Laundry Soap, some Thieves Cleaner Concentrate, which you don't have to put in there, but I like to add it for extra cleaning power, and then also Purification Thieves and Lemon Essential Oil. You will also need some distilled water, so I have that there as well. You don't have to have a funnel when doing this, but I like to use it. It makes it easier to pour. So first up, you want to take your Thieves Laundry Soap. Just go ahead and take that cap off, don't lose any of the goodness, and pour half of the bottle into your first amber bottle, just like I'm doing here. It may take a little bit of time. If you've used Thieves Laundry Soap before, you know that this is a really thick laundry soap, which is awesome, but it does take a minute or two to get it poured. We really love our Thieves Laundry Soap. It is fine for HE washers and regular old washers. It is free of all those yucky ingredients that a lot of laundry soaps have, but it still has that awesome cleaning power. So next up, I am adding in the Thieves Cleaner, and I'm just going to do 3 capfuls of the cleaner. Like I mentioned earlier, you don't have to do this, but I do think it helps boost your laundry detergent and help it have even better cleaning power than it already does. So I'm just adding those 3 capfuls here. So of course the Thieves Laundry Soap already can last for 64 loads, but we're doubling it here, which is going to make it last even longer. So first up, I have lemon essential oil. I just had Vitality right in the kitchen, which is where I was making this video. I'm gonna open up that cap and just do 5 drops of lemon. Lemon is really good for helping to whiten your clothes as well as get out stains. Now we have Thieves essential oil. Who doesn't want to go ahead, and add some extra Thieves for some cleaning power. And I like to add purification here, and I'm just doing 5 drops of each essential oil. And you're gonna see me struggling with this bottle a little bit. We are actually about out of purification. Of course we have some more, but this bottle is about empty. We like to keep a bottle of purification by the washing machine and add a couple drops into the laundry. It really helps with things like workout clothes, and if you have any animals, it helps with that smell too. So now you are just gonna top this bottle off with some water. You wanna pour that water slowly, as it does tend to kind of bubble up if you pour it too fast. So now I'm just putting that lid right back on, and you wanna shake this up, probably shake it up even more than I'm about to do in this video, but give it a good shake. You'll see it start to mix up. You really wanna make sure you don't see the division between the water and the essential oil, the laundry detergent there. So I'm gonna do the same process that I already showed you again. So I've got the video sped up just a little bit here. So if it feels like it's going faster, it's because it is. So we are just taking the last of that Thieves Laundry Soap here. Trying to get absolutely all of it out of there. We have a nice cat walking by now. Once again, adding 3 capfuls of laundry detergent. Next up, we have our essential oils. I'm just gonna do my lemon and Thieves, 5 drops each at the same time. I had to smell and make sure I knew that I was putting the right caps back on. And now some purification for just that extra smell getter outer. I don't even think that's a word, but you all know what I mean. So now I'm topping this back off with water again. Gonna shake this one up. And now you have turned your Thieves Laundry Soap into even more loads instead of just that 64. So thank you all for joining me today. I hope that you all enjoyed this oily hack, and we can't wait to see you again here on The Oily Travelers. If there's any questions you have, feel free to leave them in the comment box below, and we'd love to help you out. Have a good day.